In front of me is Honor 8X Max, and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen view. Begin by selecting an app that you wish to use on the top half of your screen and launching it in the background. Then click on this icon of the rectangles at the top right corner and tap on the second app. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. To go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and tap on home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!